Good morning, student of class 5. How are you, beta? I hope you all are fine. See, student, we have completed chapter number 5. Now, see, student, now I will start chapter number 11. Is it clear? Because in your book, chapter 1 to 10, they are science chapter, and after that from chapter number 11 to 25 they all are SST chapters, social studies से related सारे chapter हैं. Is it clear? So last year also we have taken first 5 chapter, and from chapter number 11 to chapter number 17. 11 means India, our country. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. This I will cover in half yearly. Is it clear? So your syllabus for half yearly is first 5 chapter, and then from chapter number 11 to chapter number 17. So student, first 5 chapter I have completed. Now we will start chapter number 11. So student, in my previous video we have discussed the question answer of chapter number 5 and hot question also of chapter number 5. Now take a rough copy and pen also with you and note down the important points. When you are watching the video, student, as a teacher we give you some extra, that things which are maybe not given in the book also. That is the reason all the time I say, when you are watching the video, student, then please take one rough copy and pen with you, and in your rough copy you can note down the important points so that you can understand the chapter. Okay, now see student, today I will start chapter number 11, India, our country. So name of the chapter is India, our country. See student, so name of our country is India. We are living in which country? India. Okay, now student, when we are discussing this, then first of all, you know student, India is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th. You want to note down, or you can mark in your with the pencil. You can mark this line in your book also, because these types of question are asked in one word. India is the dash largest country in the world. So what is the answer? India is the 7th largest country in the world. So you want to note down, then you can note down this in your rough copy. Otherwise, take your pencil and underline it. Okay, student, there are many countries. So what is the position of our country in the world? The position of our country is 7th. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, so student, we in this chapter we will study what are the physical divisions of India. So before explaining all these things to you, first of all we will discuss, I tell you the position of our country in the world, then we will discuss in which continent India is, in which continent and how many continents are there. So that things we will discuss, and after that we will discuss the physical divisions of India. Okay, now let's start with this. So we are living in which continent, student? We are living in Asia continent. We are living in Asia continent. So student, let's see. So student, we are living in Asia continent. So let's understand how many continents are there. Okay student, see student, we have 7 continents. Okay, see we are living on the planet Earth. हम किस planet पे बेटा रह रहे हैं? हम planet Earth पे रह रहे हैं. Okay, so on this planet how many continents are there? So what are continents? These are large land areas. ठीक है, क्योंकि अर्थ का 72% पोर्शन किससे कवर्ड है? दैट इज वाटर. 72% पोर्शन, 72% portion of the earth is covered with water. So what are these continents? These are the land, big lands on the earth. Is it clear? So there are how many continents? There are 7 continents. Note down in your copy. So student, there are 7 continents. Okay, these are the 7 continents. So these are the lands where we have different countries on the earth. ठीक है, ये बड़े बड़े जमीन के टुकड़े हैं, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम पार्ट जो अर्थ पे है वो क्या है, वाटर है। 72% पोर्शन इज कवर्ड विद वाटर एंड रेस्ट 28% जो है उस पे लैंड है। इज इट क्लियर? एंड दीज आर द 7 continents and according to their order I have written. It means largest is Asia, then Africa, then North America. Is it clear? And then South America, Antarctica, Europe, and last one is Australia. So what does it mean? It means maybe in the one word it can be asked in the examination, which is the smallest continent. So what is the answer? Answer is Australia. And which is the biggest continent, largest continent? That is Asia. So according to the order I have written, there are how many continents? 7 continents are there on the earth. So Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These are the 7 continents of the India. You want to write it, you can note down in your rough copy, because this is very important. That is the reason, because in the next chapters when I will teach you, this question can also be asked in indicate this continent on the map. Is it clear? On the world map, you maybe this question can be asked in map also. From the atlas you will practice and you have to indicate this continent on the world map. Is it clear? So note down what are the names of the continent. Now see student, India is in which continent? Asia continent. India is in Asia continent. Okay, and how many countries are in Asia continent? That is 48 countries. Okay, we are on which continent? We are on Asia continent. And how many other countries are in our continent? That is Asia. So answer is there are 48 countries in the Asia continent. Is it clear? Note down. Okay, I rub the board. Now next thing is that student, let understand physical division. Before physical division, first of all we understand there are 4 direction: north and south, west and east. So how much land is, we are talking about India, from north to south and from west to south. So how much land is covered, that we will discuss now. ठीक है? Now student, when we are talking from west, for example this is north, this is south, west and east. ठीक है, तुम्हें पहले नॉलेज होनी चाहिए नॉर्थ साउथ वेस्ट और ईस्ट की. ठीक है, नॉर्थ साउथ वेस्ट ईस्ट. Is it clear to all of you? Now see student, So from how much it is stretch from west to east, west इधर है, ईस्ट इधर है, ठीक है। तो वेस्ट से ईस्ट में कितना लैंड कवर है, फ्रॉम कितना स्ट्रेच है, कितना फैला हुआ है ये 3000 किलोमीटर। ओके, you can underline in your book also. From west to the east it is nearly 3000 किलोमीटर, इट इज नियरली 3000 किलोमीटर। मतलब वेस्ट से लेके ईस्ट तक कितना फैला हुआ है, इट इज अबाउट 3000 किलोमीटर। नोट डाउन। And now student, when we talk about north to south, so north to south means this direction is north and this is south. If we see lengthwise vertical position में अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, is it clear? If we see in lengthwise और vertical position में देखते हैं, then north to south, is it clear? It means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Okay, you can see in this map also. This is a India map. This is a map of our country India. It means from north to south, it means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. How much distance is about 3200 kilometer. Note down in your rough copy, note down, or you can also underline it in your book also. We are on page number 74. Underline it. West to east it is nearly 3000 kilometer, and from north to south means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it stretches, कितना फैला हुआ है ये, about 3200 किलोमीटर, 3200 किलोमीटर। नोट डाउन। Now see student, after this when we are talking about the, first of all you note down this, then I will tell you. Completed? Okay. So student, now it has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer. It has land boundary of 15,200 kilometer. Okay, it has a, now see, it has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer. So student, here we must understand the names of the neighboring country of the India, by which the land of India is bordered with the other countries. ठीक है, आ रही है बात समझ में? जो हमारी कंट्री इंडिया की है, जो उसका बॉर्डर, हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज, व्हाट आर आवर नेबर कंट्री, जिन नेबर्स कंट्री से हमारा लैंड कितना है, इट हैज अ लैंड बाउंड्री ऑफ 15,200 किलोमीटर की है। सो स्टूडेंट, लेट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द आवर नेबरिंग कंट्री, कौन सी हमारी नेबरिंग कंट्री है जिससे हमारा लैंड जो है बॉर्डर पे टच पे है, ठीक है, अदर कंट्री से. सो नोट डाउन दिस. पाकिस्तान, see student, these are our neighboring countries, these are our neighboring countries, because it is written here it has land boundary of 15,200 kilometer. So it is very important for us to understand what are our neighboring country, कौन कौन सी countries ऐसी हैं जो हमारी क्या है, neighboring countries हैं. Is it clear? So that countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are the neighboring country by which we are sharing the border. ठीक है, but these last two one, that is I underline this, Sri Lanka and Maldives, इससे हमारा लैंड बॉर्डर पे नहीं है, वाटर से है इसका. इज इट क्लियर? जैसे यहां पे जितने भी बॉर्डर्स हैं दीज आर लैंड बाउंड्रीज, लेकिन श्रीलंका एंड मालदीव्स दे आर बाय वाटर बॉडीज, दे आर टच. ठीक है, इनसे जो हमारे बॉर्डर हैं वो किससे है, वाटर से है, नॉट विद लैंड. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो अप टू दिस one time we do the recapitulation what we have studied, and after that we will discuss further. So student, in the beginning we start from chapter number 11, India our country. So student, our country is the 7th largest country in the world, and we are living in which continent? That is Asia. ठीक है, हम किस कॉन्टिनेंट में रह रहे हैं? एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में. So it is important to understand us also student that how many continents are there. Is it clear? So it is how many continents are there. So student, there are 7 continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. India, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. So which is the largest continent? Largest continent is Asia, and the smallest one is Australia, and the smallest one is Australia. So these are the 7 continents. Okay, these are the, what are continent? These are land, big lands on the earth surface, because maximum part of the surface of the earth is covered with the maximum part is covered with the water. हमें पता है ना 72% पोर्शन किससे कवर है अर्थ का, वाटर से, एंड ओनली 28% पोर्शन इज ऑफ ए वाटर. You all able to understand? So that is the reason ये 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं जहां पे लैंड है एंड पीपल्स आर लिविंग. So and after that, what is the position of our country in the world? The position of our country in the world is 7th position. The position of our country in the world is 7th position. Next thing, what we study, how many countries are in Asia continent? Asia continents में कितनी countries हैं? So Asia continent में student 48 countries हैं. Is it clear? And our country is the first is the China, and our country is the second largest country in population. Our country is the second largest country in population. So now student, when we start discussing about the India, before studying physical divisions of India, we discuss the how much by direction, we discuss north to south and west to east, how much our country is stretched, कितनी फैली हुई है हमारी कंट्री. तो when we discuss from west to east, it is 3000 किलोमीटर. वेस्ट टू ईस्ट हमारी कंट्री कितने किलोमीटर है? 3000 किलोमीटर है. एंड नॉर्थ टू साउथ इट स्ट्रेचेस 3200 kilometer. It means from Kashmir to, it means from जम्मू कश्मीर है ना ये, it means from जम्मू कश्मीर to कन्याकुमारी, ठीक है. अगर आप लेंथ वाइज देखते हो या वर्टिकल देखते हो, देन इट इज 3200 kilometer. Is it clear? And after that student, we discuss that India has a land boundary of 15,200 किलोमीटर. इंडिया की जो लैंड बाउंड्री है 15,200 किलोमीटर है. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट व्हाट आर द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि इंडिया की नेबरिंग कंट्रीज क्या हैं जिनके संग लैंड बाउंड्री है हमारी. तो दैट इज पाकिस्तान. इज इट क्लियर? अफगानिस्तान, चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश एंड म्यांमार. सो ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ये दीज आर 7 कंट्रीज जिससे हमारे जो बाउंड्रीज है, बॉर्डर्स हैं, दैट इज लैंड बाउंड्री है. ठीक है. और जो श्रीलंका और मालदीव्स हैं इनसे हमारी वाटर बाउंड्रीज हैं. इज इट क्लियर? बाकी पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, इन सब से हमारी लैंड बाउंड्रीज है. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट श्रीलंका एंड मालदीव्स, इनसे क्या हमारा है? वाटर बॉर्डर्स हैं. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ स्टूडेंट, let's discuss about the coastal line. Our coastal line is about 6,000 coastal line is about 6,500 kilometer. Okay, so what is this? This is the area of the sea which is touch in land. जो सी वाटर है उसका एरिया जो लैंड के टच में है, दैट इज कोस्टल लाइन. तो कोस्टल लाइन ऑफ इंडिया इज 6,500 kilometer. Okay, this is the area of the sea water which is in touch with land. Thank you student.